Okay, guys, so here we are today. Once again, I am Sundaraman Iyer from All in One Hub, and we are today again going talking about another cloud computing course. But this one is quite different. The past, as we have seen that there are many courses, there are many reviews on AWS, Microsoft, and many more courses from different types of companies. However, this one is quite different. So this one is quite different in the sense we can see over here cloud computing, yet there is a slight change. Stay with me, get it through it. So this is Adionics Learn Cloud Computing for from scratch for beginners, and as you can see on the right hand side there are the course contents, and the content is quite good. I prefer the content takes you through the basics of it, the things which you need to know when a cloud computing concept comes up on your mind or someone asks you what is cloud computing, so you should be knowing that. Apart from that, there is one thing that I like about this course is that it also provides you certificate and it is free. Apart from that, there is one thing that is it covers some of the cloud technologies with examples. Okay, what I mean by that is, suppose I get to AWS. If I get to AWS, it shows AWS
Welcome
engine.
to the Eduonics Cloud course. You need to sign up for that account now. The Amazon Web Services documentation
Yes,
free tier, where it tells you that 750 hours of an
yeah. As you can see, it covers the basics. As the cloud, as the course name is for beginners from scratch to begin from scratch. It covers AWS beginning, means signing up and the basic stuff. And same goes for Red Hat. Same goes for Red Hat and Google Cloud Compute Console. Okay, so it also covers the same for that as well. I I would definitely say that this is a good course, but for those who only love theory, there is literally I can only specify by showing you guys. This is theoretical course. It is a video
there's
lecture.
always the possibility for the injection of
As you can see, I'll put it on full screen and you can understand that it is a Google Doc course. Okay, so you don't expect any animation or anyone coming ahead and instructor led course. This is not that kind of a thing. This is basically uh this is basically for theoretical purposes. This is a Google Doc, or what you can say is a theoretical course, because it provides you video lectures based on the theory which they have covered in Google Docs, or they have written it somewhere and they have spread this knowledge. Apart from that, there I also understand that this course is for the guys who are wanting to learn some of the concepts such as virtualization and system architecture. This is not system architecture but visualization architecture and so on. That they have this course, and it is also giving some of the basic concepts of visualization architecture, such as you can learn it once you get into it. You can just learn it.
welcome to the Eduonics Cloud. There will be a single
Okay, so as you can see that this is what you can say is uh image which is they are going to explain, which is which are explaining the structure of this course is basically an image which they are explaining it, and not an instructor led and not an animated one. We have to you have to be focused on that. And the second thing which you have to take into consideration is that there are no quizzes. Okay, there is no quiz, there is no grading, there is nothing. You can just clicking on here, you can generate the certificate after completing the entire course. Okay, you can just complete the entire course and generate certificate. You will be getting the certificate, and this certificate is for completely free. Okay, This is how the certificate would be looking once you complete the course. I would recommend this course only if you want to learn the surface level of cloud computing. And for from my part, I would rate this course as out of 10. I would give it as 5. For me, it is 5 because it takes 3 hours of your time. It is a 3 hour course, free, but it's a 3 hour course, and it only gives you surface level knowledge without getting into the nitty and means in-depth knowledge of it. So I would just give you 5 out of 10. And there has to be some more illustrations which we have to understand, that there are some more basic concepts which you have to get through it. And as we all know, an image speaks thousand words. So there you, in order to understand all of this, you have to either google it or you have to learn it by yourself once again, and then come back to this come back to their notes and start learning with their video. There is a pretty hard work which you have to do. You don't get every resources at one thing, so you have to learn everything at their side. And after that, you can also, there are multiple courses from Idionics on cloud computing and different, but I would definitely go for this course only when I have to know this course is just for my purpose of just knowing the surface level knowledge of everything, the surface level. I would do this course for one thing. If I would have to do for revision, I would definitely take this course. If I have to learn cloud computing on a revision purpose, if say I have to go on an exam, or if the cloud computing test has been conducted in my university, I would definitely take this course, and I would definitely clear it out, I can guarantee you that. And after that, I would just try to learn different from different persons such as AWS or Microsoft, so that, and IBM also, they also give you course on cloud computing. This course is for the person who wants to learn from a surface level point of view. That is what I would give this. And it also has Q&A. If you have a good if you have a question, you can just post it. They would be giving you the answers, and you can add your own notes on this. And the review, you can rate it out of 5 and type your review, what are the changes. Only. I would definitely recommend Avionics to add the course images or do some infographic thing, so that the users can understand what exactly cloud computing is. Okay, so as I would say, this course is for just for the beginners who want to learn at surface level. So that's it, folks, from our side. This is All in One Hub. I am Sundaraman here, and see you next time.